Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Whether you are vibing at the decks, chilling, thanks for pressing play. If you're new here, I'm Aisha, a self-taught cybersecurity learner, content creator, and a tech sis, helping you to navigate this wide but exciting and interesting tech journey. Now, today's video is for those who is in the field and constantly asking, okay, I'm watching video, what should I actually do to build real skills and build my portfolio? Maybe you're stuck watching 10 tutorials video and you still feel lost. Trust me, I've been there, watching big videos and don't know what to do and asking yourself, can I really do this? So today I'll be sharing real projects beginners with you. You don't need a fancy lab setup to get started. All you need is your curiosity, your laptop, internet access, and mindset to start. Watch to the end because I'll be sharing with you a project people overlook and it can really set your portfolio apart. Let's start with the easiest and personal projects. Secure your own device. Yes, you can right now, either your laptop or your phone. Here is what you will do. 1. Turn on your 2FA on all your device. Turn on your firewall. Build a password manager on Bitwarden. Enable your firewall. Remove unnecessary permission from your apps. Document your steps and explain why you are doing it and take screenshots. Turn it into a blog post, TikTok or short video. Trust me, it sounds easy and it's more practical than it sounds. Now let's talk about labs. You don't have to buy an expensive server. All you need to do is install virtual machine or VMware and start with 2 or more virtual machines. Here is a simple setup: Kali Linux or DVWA. With this tool, you can practice post scanning with Nmap, vulnerability scanning with OpenVAS, broad force login testing on your local lab. Even better, you can do a video and do a voiceover for it to post instant portfolio content. If you are not on TryHackMe, you are missing out. They literally give you real beginners friendly projects to start with and walk you through real life scenario. Start with pre-security parts, complete beginner parts, hack boss labs, and guess what? They track your process so you can actually show a certificate or skill badge. Don't just finish the room. Document your journey, take notes, and take time to reflect on what you learn and talk about it online. Another project that impressed recruiters: a basic risk assessment. Risk assessment. Show something small. Choose something small, like your email box or your friend's business Instagram page. Ask what data is at risk, what could go wrong, what security measures are in place, what can be improved. Create the report for your findings. Now you have a real world case study to showcase. Feeling a little adventurous, try setting up a SNOT as an instruction detective system in a virtual machine, or FSense as a firewall. You learn how to monitor network traffic, set filtering rules, understand attack signature, and it teaches you the foundation of threat detection. Okay, remember when I said there's one project most people overlook? This is it: teaching. Yes, teaching. That's right. Make a short reel, TikTok shorts, blog post, or Twitter trend where you explain something you learn as a beginner in cybersecurity. Why this help? It helps you retain what you learn, you build confidence, you attract like-minded people like you stand out when applying for internship. Even as a beginner, there's someone one step behind you. 1. Secure your personal device. 2. Set up your own lab. 3. Complete TryHackMe room. 4. Do a basic risk assessment. 5. Set up a personal firewall or IDS. teach what you learn. You don't need a job to gain experience. Build your own portfolio, document them, and share the journey. That's how we grow. Thanks so much for listening. If this helped or inspired you in any way, like, comment below your favorite project idea and subscribe. And I would love to hear from you. Comment below the projects you are starting with this week. And don't miss my next vlog, because I'll be sharing with you free cybersecurity platform you can learn from with no cost. Until next time, and remember, there is space for everybody in tech.